The spinning wheel game is a fun and interactive solution designed to empower children with essential time management skills from an early age.
Our game incorporates various tasks such as outdoor games, study time, and screen time, each represented by vibrant color beads and coded with numbers. We started with building a prototype. Later, we came up with another model which is compact, tabletop, and the wheel was made with magnetic material to stick the task strips made of magnet. Dot mandala art sticker was pasted on the wheel to give an elegant look.
Instructions to play the game. Write tasks after school. List out the tasks you plan to do after school each day for 1 week. Assign task numbers. Assign a number to each task as per the given table.
Prepare magnetic strips. Write the task numbers on magnetic strips using a whiteboard marker. Set up spinning wheel. Stick the magnetic strips on the spinning wheel.
Use a pointer clip to select a sector on the spinning wheel for each day. Turn the wheel and note down the order of tasks for each day in the book that has been provided to you.
Insert beads daily. After completing each task, insert a corresponding bead from the bead box into the corresponding tube. Each tube represents the task.
Weekly bead management. At end of each week, rearrange the tube so that all beads fall into their respective compartments.
Monthly progress count. At the end of the month, count the beads in each tube to measure your progress of that month. This gives you an overview of how many tasks you have completed each day over the month.
Reset for next month. Open the tube box. Take out all the beads and put them back into the bead box. Reset the tube and spinning wheel for the next month.
By following these steps, students will be able to track the tasks and measure the progress each month. It's a visual and tangible method that can help students stay organized and motivated to accomplish the goals. At the end of the month, student will count the beads, which gives and will be able to give an idea with the support of our school, community and industry mentors. We've been able to refine our solution and make a positive impact on the lives of the children.
By combining educational principles with an entertaining game format, the kit encourages children to take ownership of their schedule.
This not only fosters early habits of organization and responsibility, but also ensures that learning these vital life skills becomes an enjoyable journey for the children.